One of the scariest things about starting an online business is the thought of making and being in a video, or at least it was for us.
Just being on camera is a whole new experience.
But then eventually you get used to it. But one thing that we want to share is it's not expensive to make a video. And part of the biggest thing is just getting over the fear of being in front of the camera. So all you need, and you can go and check out our blog because we have links to Amazon where you can access these, but all you need is like a little clicker like this, a little remote
Bluetooth clicker. Yeah.
Ours is so worn out, all the paint's gone. So that's how much we've used it. You need your camera.
Just the iPhone.
Your basic.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then just a thing like this, like what Bob and I have got dual ones, so we can both talk at the same time. But when we do videos separately, we use one, and then our camera is sitting on a tripod. Well, actually, it's a selfie stick that's screwed into a tripod, and we can make it quite high, so it's about 6 feet. So when we're standing in front of it, that's okay too.
Sometimes when you see these fancy YouTubers, they've got expensive equipment and all kinds of paraphernalia. The beauty of being in the online business is you can start basic and get in the business for, as Adrian said, very inexpensively.
Yeah, there's low costs to few barriers to entry in online business. And that's the exciting part. Most of it is having the mindset to get in front of the camera and know that you will survive it. So
and part of Six Figure Mentors is they have a program called the 90-Day Video Challenge, which has such positive results. It gets you used to talking on video, but even more importantly, you get a chance to meet people from all over the world that are experiencing the same start that you are, learning how to be on video.
Yeah, so video is going to be and will continue to grow in popularity. So it's a great skill to have. So please reach out to us anytime. We always enjoy hearing from you. Bye for now.
Bye for now.